Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to do a reset on Todoist. All right, as you can see here, I'm in my Todoist dashboard. Now in here under inbox, I have here my task. Now, if you want to perform a manual reset, you're gonna want to hover your mouse onto each task. All right, and go ahead over to the very right and click on the three dots. Then go ahead and hit on delete. All right, hit on delete. There will be a pop-up. The task will be permanently deleted. Just hit on delete. And another one, if you just want to delete a subtask, go ahead and do so. Delete. Here's another one. Delete. All right. Now, if you don't want to do that, if you want to mass delete all of it, well, you'll have to delete your account. All right. By doing so, first up, go ahead and go to the top right and make a copy of your data. All right. Of your task or data. Just click on export as CSV right here and hit on export. Save it wherever you want. All right. After that, you're going to want to go ahead over to the top left and click on your profile. Click on settings. In here under account, go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on delete. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.